Let's find the shapes. Children, I'm going to read a poem. Listen carefully. A picnic on Sunday in farm fresh air. All shaped veggies we could find there. When he dug the soil, Motia had found cone-like carrots under the ground. Yash brought tomatoes, red and brown. Some long brinjals also he found. Rama got cucumbers, green and fresh. Some straight cylinders, some bent at the waist. Tamarind from a tree and a little bit of garlic was all that Gumpu and Pussy could pick. Mama roasted rotis, Papa cooked veggies. Such a nice picnic. Could we come again, please? So, children, in this poem, there was a boy whose name was Yash. He went to picnic on Sunday with his family to a farm. As soon as they reached, his dog named Motia started to dug the soil and he found a cone-shaped carrot under a ground. Then Yash brought some tomatoes, red and round, and he also brought some long brinjals. Rama is Yash's sister. She got some cucumbers which was green in color and it was very much fresh. Some were straight cylinder and some bent at the waist. Then Gumpu the monkey picked some tamarind from a tree and Pussycat picked a little bit of garlic. Then Mama started to roast rotis and Papa cooked all these veggies. They all had a lunch and enjoyed there. And they went back home. Also, they were waiting to go to the farm again. So, children, in this poem, I mentioned 3 shapes. Can anyone guess what are the 3 shapes which I mentioned in the poem? Yes, the first one is cone-like carrot. I said no, cone-like carrot. So the shape of the carrot is cone. The first shape is cone. The second which I mentioned here is tomatoes, red and round. So the tomatoes which are round in shape, that is circle in shape, which is also called as pear. The third shape is cylinder. Which vegetable was cylindrical in shape? Yes, cucumber was cylindrical in shape. So children, today we are going to learn 3 shapes. All the 3 shapes which we are going to learn today starts from the letter C. The first one is circle. C. Okay, C for circle. Circle is also called as sphere. Okay. The second which we are going to learn now is cone. C for cone. And the third shape which we are going to learn is cylindrical. C for cylinder. Okay, cylinder. C for cylinder. So let us learn one by one. The first shape which we are going to learn now is circle. Circle has no edges and no corner. Okay, it looks like a ball. For example, sun, moon, Earth, any planet like Saturn, Uranus, everything is circular in shape. The ball, button, an orange, okay, a smiley face, all are in circular shape. The second shape which we are going to learn now is cone. Cone has one circular edge and one vertex. Okay. So children, here are some examples of cone. Ice cream cone, caps, Christmas tree, carrot, traffic cone, etc. are in cone shape. The third shape which we are going to learn now is cylinder. A cylinder has 2 edges but not a single corner. Okay, it does not have any corner. It has only 2 edges. One is the flat top surface and the second one is flat bottom surface. Okay, it has 2 edges and circular and also a curved surface area. Okay, so it does not have any corner. So edges means sides. Okay, edges means the sides of the particular object. Here are the some example of cylindrical shape. Can you see the first picture? Water bottle, the second drum, battery, even a can or tin. Okay, it all has a cylindrical shape. Hope you understood the three shapes. The first one which I taught you is circle. The second one which I taught you is cone, and the last one which we learned now is cylinder. Okay, thank you.